Alright, we're recording.
So we'll be back.
Okay.
Pray for us. It's not dying. It's still not dying. So do you think we're 500 horsepower right now?
I'm not sure.
Are you scared as I am?
A little bit.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Definitely not fixed. It's just not going in the boost.
Well, we're in the boost, but you
So
know.
we built 5 pounds. That's more than we've built. Why has it got that stutter? I don't know.
Scared the shit out of me.
Why?
Because that tube just kind of touched my arm. See if you can downshift now. I guess you're in second, never mind.
Why is it not wanting to? I mean, it's definitely doing better,
But it's still like fuel cutting or whatever.
like it's not. It didn't stall. Well, we'll see if it stalls right here.
No, it doesn't stall.
It's staying up in RPM, so it definitely needed the
The cam sensor definitely, but it's not getting in a boost like we want it.
I think maybe it's a tuning issue.
I have no clue because with tuning, I think it'd still do that, like Brooks' car, but it may just not be getting enough fuel or something. Stop that. It sounds so much more healthy.
Yeah, it actually sounds like it's not going to blow up.
Damn, his headlights are bright.
Huh?
Said, damn, his headlights are bright.
Yeah, no. That sounds like exhaust system. Well, it's doing better and it's building more boost, but it's still like it's fuel cutting or something. Yeah. I don't know.
I have no clue.
The only way to find out is if we looked, but it's pretty late, so.
I didn't mean like now.
Yeah.
Hold the clutch and see if it'll two-step or whatever.
But it doesn't die, so that's good. I'm not sure what the deal could
Can you
be.
drive it better though?
It's kind of still like where you getting boost. It's like, I don't know. Yeah.
Is there an O2 sensor in that downpipe that's missing?
Yeah. There's a bong for it.
I wonder if there's an O2 sensor not there that could be doing it.
Maybe. I can't find the record button. But that's that, so.